This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 6T versus the iPhone XS Max. Now the 6T, this one has the Snapdragon 845 and this one has 8 gigs of RAM. XS Max has the 812 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Very close on the boot up, you guys are the judges. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. So you can see all caches have been cleared. So let's get started with the Messages app. OnePlus, camera. Ooh, very close, maybe the iPhone on that one. Clock on both. Start the stopwatch on this and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Safari, go. Search for GSM Arena on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Very close, maybe the 60 by a little bit. Scroll to the bottom and we'll go to the desktop version. Looking at the bar again. A little bit faster on the 6T. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on the iPhone. Do the same thing on the 6T. Nice and butter also. Calculator. Play Store and App Store. Click on an app. Leave it there. Amazon. Very close. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. Give this one to the 6T. Click on these Pumas. Mario Run. Give this one to the 6T. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the iPhone actually running the game. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirit's Cove. Oh man, I think we have a draw here. We'll find out in a second and call this one a tie. Angry Birds 2. $60 is ahead. Will the XS catch up? No, it does not. Give this to the OnePlus. Asphalt 9. And give this one to the 6T. Tap to play. We'll leave it there. PUBG. Looks like the iPhone is ahead here by a little bit. We'll give this one to the XS Max. There we go. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. Go for neck and neck. Ooh, it's gonna be a close one. Very close, maybe the XS Max by a little bit. Twitter. 6T. iPhone lagging a little bit. Instagram. 6T again on this. Snapchat. OnePlus. Take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background. As you can see, OnePlus 6T has 8 gigs of RAM. RAM management should not be an issue with this device. And the iPhone XS Max, only 4 gigs of RAM. However, it is optimized by Apple. So let's find out what happens. Instagram, good to go. Twitter, good to go. Grand Theft Auto, good to go again. PUBG, ready to resume. Asphalt 9, good to go. Oh, actually no, it's not. Reload on the iPhone or refresh. Something happened. Angry Birds 2, good to go. Temple Run 2. Paused and ready to resume on both Super Mario Run. Ready to play. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store and App Store, same place as well. Calculator, good to go. Browsers, still on GSM Arena. Clock on both, still running the stopwatch. The camera, about the same, maybe the 60 on that one actually. And the Messages app, boom. So hit me up in the comments, let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone XS or the XS Max or the iPhone XR with a notch up top and no headphone jack? Or are you on team OnePlus rocking the OnePlus 6T, OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5T or the OnePlus 5 or even the OnePlus 3T? These phones coming in with excellent specs at a very reasonable price. OnePlus 6T now has the in-display fingerprint scanner. However, no more headphone jack, which is kind of a bummer. But the notch of this phone is much less intrusive than the one on the iPhone XS Max, as you can see. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.